TV for kids.
Please and thank you, Magic Twins. Please and thank you, Magic Twins. Good manners always win. Say them loud, say them bright. They make the world feel just right.
Hey!
When I want a cookie sweet, or need some help to find my seat, I smile and say it calm and clear, the magic word we all should hear.
Please and thank you, kind and true. Make smiles shine in all we do. Hey! Please and thank you, Magic Twins. Good manners always win. What?
Please and thank you, Magic Twins. Hey! When I ask for toys to share, or want a turn, I show I care. Please makes friends both near and far. It shines like a polite little star.
Please and thank you, kind and true. Make smiles shine in all we do. Hey! Please and thank you, Magic Twins. Good manners always win. Hey!
Please and thank you, Magic Twins. When someone helps me tie my shoe, I smile and say, why thank you. Grateful hearts make joy appear. It's the nicest thing to hear. When I get a gift or help today, I thank them kindly right away. Good words bloom like flowers bright. Thank you makes the world feel right.
Please and thank you, kind and true. Hey! Magic words for me and you. Hey! Please and thank you, bright and clear. Hey! Good manners bring us cheer. Hey!
So every day in what I do, I'll say my please and thank you. Please and thank you, Magic Twins.
Hey!
For more fun and playful rhymes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.